So in conclusion, it's just not about flying. There's more to using a drone than taking it out of the box and charging it up and sending it up to the sky. You can read all the books you want to on how to get clear airspace, or you can't fly over people, or fly at night, or fly over 100 miles an hour, or fly beyond line of sight. There are the operational rules that the FAA has, but getting that practical experience and training are essential to having safe operations. I hope I've been able to help you out today and to improve your skills at flying. My name is Lamar Ellis, and my company is DroneEducationServices.com. Please be sure to follow us on social media, and thank you so very much for your time, and join us. We've got 3 great programs for the rest of the week. Have a great day, fly safe, fly often, and have fun.